Hello, greetings everyone. This is Basim Roberta P. If you're new to my channel, then hi, welcome to my channel. This is a travel vlog, and this is actually part 3 where I'm going to be showing you some places in China, some very famous places. Of course, it includes the Canton Tower, view of from the Canton Tower, and most exciting part, the Pearl River. So let's get started.
Ni hao. Good morning. Welcome to day 3. This is our last official day in Guangzhou, China. So, good morning. We had our breakfast. Now it's almost 9:30, 9:25 actually, and we are heading towards firstly the Sacred Heart Cathedral, and after that we will be at Beijing Road again for doing some shopping, and then in the evening we will first visit the Canton Tower. We will try to go at the like inside the Canton Tower, and also we have planned to roam around the Pearl River for the river cruise for an hour. So for that we will buy tickets. So yeah, stay with us.
At this point, we were happy and relaxed because our map was working, which I have mentioned 100 times in my other 2 vlogs of China. So, yeah, we were just walking towards the cathedral.
So we are walking towards the Sacred Cathedral, and using the Apple Map because the Google Map doesn't work here. So how many minutes is it gonna take? 30? 30 minutes. It's almost 2 kilometers? 2.3 kilometers. So yeah, the weather is excellent, as you can see. No sun. It's almost a little bit chilly and windy. So yeah, nice weather.
So, if you have been watching my vlogs for a while, you already probably guessed I don't like that much sunny weather. I mean, I do love sun, but like not so much heat and direct sunlight. Rather, I prefer the windy and stormy weather. So, I didn't know that as well. So the Sacred Heart Cathedral was just opposite of the road, and this was like a more like a park area, and this was a center, so you can see cars coming from all the 4 directions. So we were just waiting and watching people driving their motorbikes and listening to the music. There were speakers. It was a nice vibe, and everybody were busy. And on our way we actually stopped to a shop, and this was more like a Christmas decor shop where they had so many beautiful things. And I actually will make a separate video that what I bought from China and other places as well, so stay tuned and I'll show you what I got from here as well.
We're finally here at the Sacred Heart Cathedral. The weather is absolutely stunning, very windy. It's a chilly weather, not hot, not so much cold, and we are heading towards the beautiful cathedral. Honestly, I didn't expect it to be like this beautiful, and yeah, let's go inside.
So the cathedral, or the Sacred Heart of Jesus, it is also actually known as the stone chamber or stone house by the locals, and this is actually located in the north bank of the Pearl River at the heart of the old town. This is one of the few cathedrals in the world to be entirely built by granite, including the walls, pillars, the twin towers that you can see, and also the Catholic cathedral was actually founded during 1800s by the Emperor of France and was built by Chinese craftsmen, and it is also a classic representative of Guangzhou's exotic customs. I feel like again, I have said this a few times in my other vlogs as well, but the architecture and overall the work, the detailed work that we had previously, if we see the, whatever buildings in European style or in the Victorian era or previously also like in the Indian subcontinent, that if we look at it like in Nepal or India or even in Bangladesh and other countries, the detailed work, the designs that they used to give in every single, the attention to details that they would provide to every single, even if it's a sunset, a normal window, a ventilator, it was amazing. These things, I don't know, probably the styles have changed, but we don't see this detail to attention these days, and which I really miss actually.
Hello. We are here for lunch, and after lunch we are gonna go towards Canton Tower and then Pearl River. And if you're wondering what we were doing, from Cathedral we went for a little shopping, and after shopping we had a lot of things, so we kept all those in our room, and then we are it's almost 3, so actually 2, right? 2:15. So it's gonna take an hour to take lunch and everything. So after that we're gonna head towards Canton, because usually Canton Tower, Pearl River, these are usually in the daytime it's okay, but in the nighttime it's more beautiful due to the lightings and everything. So yeah, so we're gonna be there, and stay with us.
So this is actually inside a shopping mall, a food court, and we had our lunch. We had some shepherd's pie and also some duck with noodles, which is very famous in there. Anyways, so this is the Canton Tower. As you can see, we bought our ticket, and our taxi actually dropped us off in a shopping mall, and we had to walk around the another wing. So ask for, like the Canton Tower ticket counter. It's confusing a little bit. So anyways, as you can see, we are going inside.
This is the prettiest piano that I have ever seen till now. So cool.
So as you can see, here's a long queue of people waiting to go up and enjoy the view. So this is the observation deck. It costed us around 150 Chinese currency, yuan, you can say. And there are actually a lot of other things as well. I'll show you around. I'll actually give you a 360 view of the observation deck while sharing some informations regarding the Canton Tower as well. So after admiring the tower's beauty from the ground level, you can head up and enjoy the observation decks. There is also an outdoor observation deck, the bubble tram, the skydrop ride, and the 360-degree rotating restaurant as well. So you can take a also a after dark tour to see its glimmering rainbow hued facade. I'll show you actually from outside as well, the view of Canton Tower and the lighting and the rainbow changing color and everything. It's very beautiful. Anyway, so depending on what activities you are choosing, you have to pay separate prices and buy separate tickets. So the Canton Tower, it's actually, the tower is 150-meter long along with the antenna. It is actually a total height of 604 meter, making it the second tallest tower in the world and also second tallest in Asia. And of course this is the tallest in the People's Republic of China. And this tower has 112 floors. The Canton Tower's observation deck, with the height of 488 meters, is the world's highest outdoor observation deck, and the deck is the highest point that tourists can arrive in the Canton Tower. And from the deck you can of course get a view, and great view actually, 360-degree view of the whole city. And if you are planning just to sit there idly, admire the beauty of the buildings and the city, that's absolutely fine, because we had an amazing time, that's for sure. So after spending an amazing time and seeing the sunset from the Canton Tower, which was again a very different and rare experience, we rushed to the Pearl River, which was right beside, as you can see, the Canton Tower. The Canton Tower light is still not on, but I'll show you. And as you can see, the amazing and well lit and beautiful, our cruise is waiting for us. We are waiting in the line, and we were so lucky. I mean, the boat literally leaves at 7, so you have to be there at least 15 minutes earlier and buy the tickets more than before that. So 15 minutes earlier you have to stay on the line. So I don't know, we coincidentally got down from the Canton Tower at 6:30, and we went to the ticket counter, and they said that you can rush because the boat leaves at 7. So we were rushing and running, and as you can see, the beautiful tram, it goes around the place. So it's very beautiful, flowery metro type situation, open train. So anyways, yeah, so after the lady said this to us, we were rushing, and believe me, all time was actually my favorite, but standing by the Pearl River, it was windy again, so beautiful. This was one of my most favorite moments around the whole trip.
Hi.
So as you can see, the beautiful Pearl River, and I'm not gonna talk much and let you enjoy the beautiful light and the river cruise, because we had an amazing time in there. So enjoy.
这指的是广州的名称，花城和羊城。广州地处亚热带，春夏暖冬，一年四季草水常绿，花卉常开，因此获得花城的美誉。至于羊城的来由，则来自一个古老的传说。很久以前，广州发生过一次大饥荒，有5位仙人身穿五彩衣，骑着5色羊，拿着1斤6岁的优良稻谷种子降临广州，将稻穗赠给当地人民，并祝福这里有无饥荒。说完后，5位仙人便腾空而去，5只羊则变成了石头，留在越秀山上。由此，广州又有羊城的别称。各位在这里游客在观赏过程中，请留意老人和小孩保持安全距离，小心脚下。上下楼梯请扶好扶手，避免滑倒。有任何需要，请随时联系我们的工作人员。
Another fun fact about this whole Pearl River trip is that you don't have to, the ticket numbers and the seat numbers are already given, so you don't have to fight for your seat, which I found is a little bit relaxing, because once you have a rush, you have to go somewhere and find the better seats. It's kind of stressful. So I just enjoyed myself, and they also provided you with the light snacks. So there were biscuits, different type of snacks, and something they give, I think, dried meat. which I initially didn't understand. So I once I put it in my mouth, it was funny tasting, so I spit it out. Anyways, so as you can see, it was amazing. Actually, I don't know how we spent this 1 hour. It was like just a few moments, but yeah, we did spend 1 hour, and there were live music and different instructions they were saying in Chinese, which we didn't get a word, but overall we enjoyed everything. And as you can see, the overall view, the lights and the boats and everything, it will I don't know, for me it was amazing. I really enjoyed it, and like I said, this was one of the most favorite moments. And I know the ticket prices are a little expensive, not for everybody, like depending of course on your preferences, but I would recommend you to please have this experience, because you will see, once you get on the boat, you will have an amazing time, that's for sure.
世界第3高观光塔，塔身168至334米处，有世界最高最长的空中漫步楼梯；塔身422米处有世界最高的旋转阶梯；塔身454米处有世界最高的摩天轮。广州塔是广州的地标建筑，也是羊城新八景塔窑新城的核心建筑。我们将从不同的角度欣赏广州塔，您会惊奇地发现，每一个不同的角度都有不一样的视觉效果。就像一位歌舞的少女在风中翩翩起舞，因此也得到一个非常形象的昵称“小绵羊”。
If you want to enjoy the raw boat ride and without any talking or anything, so you can check out my another video. I'll put it up, just the Pearl River trip, and that was how 1 hour, 1.5 hour was over. We again, I keep saying it, we had an amazing time, trust me. And yes, this is highly recommended once you visit Guangzhou. And there you go, the beautiful Canton Tower changing its color. Ta-da, the rainbow color. And that's all, you guys. Thank you so much for patiently watching my video. Stay tuned for more vlogs, and I would personally like to thank my subscribers, my viewers. Without your support and without you watching, I wouldn't get the inspiration. So thank you, and stay tuned for my other vlogs and other videos. I'll see you soon. Bye.